Next we have opening entries. Opening entry is what? It is the closing balances of the last accounting year. So closing balances of the last accounting year, we'll take it from the balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. So see the balances, all the asset side, all the assets will be debited and all the liabilities should credited. So this is the opening entry, and we'll take the balances of previous year. Balances are taken as the opening balances of the next financial year. So the first entry in the journal is passed to record the closing balances of the previous year. It is called opening entry. So the balances prepared at the end of the year shows the closing balances of each asset and liability and forms the basis for this opening entry. So you have no need to prepare this balance sheet for the opening entry. It will be given. What you have to do, pick the amount of all the assets and debit it, and then take the amount of liabilities, credit it. But here you have to mention, sometimes capital is not given, amount of capital is not given, then what you have to do, plus all the items of debit and then minus the amount of credit. Any liability, whatever the liability is given on the liability side, just minus it, you will get the amount of your capital. In the same manner, sometimes goodwill is not given in the asset side, so you will plus the amount of credit and deduct the amount of debit. You will get the amount of goodwill and you will pass it here. So keep this in mind. Debit and credit total should be equal. When it is not equal, so that means there any amount is missing. So when you will get the balance in the credit side, that is a capital balance, and when you will get the difference in the debit side, if it is not matched, it is your goodwill. So this is your opening entries. So students, you have to practice the journal entries of compound journal entry, discount entries and opening entries. Thank you.